Okay. Okay. Huh?
Please, madam,
Are you ready? Why are you not ready? Hey, okay, we are here. 17 people. What do you mean? What are you doing? Hey, okay, you have 1 minute. I'm giving you guys the link again. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, one. You are online and you want to play the game, here is the link to join us and play the game. Let me uh okay. If you're online and you want to play with us, check the comment section and play with us if you want to. Okay? You'll see the link to platform. Yes. Check the link. Okay. Check the okay. The first already here. Let's wait. Oh, hey, be careful. Is it ready? Everybody's ready, right? Okay. I know the parents on here. You feel ready. She's ready to ready to kick them. Okay. Okay, let's start. We go fast. Right? Yeah. Who is not here? Hey. Hey. Let's start. Let's start. Yeah. Putting the answer to me. Let's start. Let's start. If you are not talking, mute yourself, please. Please, oh my God. Yo. Oh God. Oh, no. 15 million. Oh. No, I got ones like US. No sweat. Elijah, no sweat. No sweat. She's walked with me last week.
Who had 0 gold?
I got a 71% girl.
Let me see.
Wait, you swallowed me? I got 3.8.
Where did they get wrong?
Okay, let's see.
I got almost all of them.
Oh, no sweat got everything right.
They left early.
Oh, happy row. Look at her.
I quit the game.
I was trying to get her. I'm someone saying yo, mom. Maybe it's like, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, I couldn't do anything.
Never playing again.
This is unfair. I couldn't say.
Anyone that's too long.
If that was on.
Okay, let's see these answers.
It's great.
Which sensor detects colors in MBOT?
A sensor.
That was so easy.
No, which one is that?
Post sensor.
Huh?
Post sensor.
No, it's a color. No.
Your robots like steal
No, the color.
I just said color sensor.
No, it's not called a color sensor. It's called a what? RGB what?
That was the answer.
Yeah. Oh, there's no color RGB on there.
What is the parts of these labels? Okay.
I was 0 high before 0 up.
What is, you guys don't know this?
It's the ultrasonic sensor too.
Thank you.
I think that's fake.
Y'all got that wrong.
Kweku.
What's up?
We could get 16 wrong and still be on top.
Because he was stealing gold.
Yeah, you can swap and then it was swapped with me last minute and I
Okay. We're gonna do one last time. This is it won't be,
I only swapped with one person.
yeah, it won't be gold. It won't be gold. It will be something else.
No, don't do
That
anything.
is so boring.
Something so annoying. And don't do crypto hack either.
Yeah,
Crypto hack sucks.
It's kind of what you're supposed to do because somebody can tell you what their hack name is.
Oh, I do that all the time. Guess what my name was?
That's why it's boring.
What?
I think this is really. Okay.
Well, I got your answer right.
Who wants to roll?
No, the people I sent were using it.
Oh, we got never said the racing.
We are going to the classic.
No. It's just answering questions.
question. No, that is the worst one out of all of them. Yes.
Yeah. So just answer the questions, okay? Why? Oh, guys. Okay. Fishing frenzy it is. Hmm.
Look at.
No, it's happy EDI.
Okay.
We're not doing what.
Yeah, yeah.
Who's happy?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, anyway, no. Yeah. We are ready. There's a new one.
It is the last one.
Okay. So when you swap with somebody, you get the person for
Yes.
because you get things wrong. That is the same thing. It's so hard when you
Yeah.
brother.
Very good. They put their gold height. Don't worry. I'm not your mom. No.
Yeah, come with this thing.
I don't know you go.
Thank you. Thank you. You didn't know. Yeah, you teach what
You guys know what we are doing today. It's here right now. Embassy. What are you doing? What?
is it.
Um,
No, do they? Them doesn't get them out here. Yeah, she's telling that. I think maybe, maybe I don't see you here. Where's, where's Esther? They're playing the other game. Look. Okay.
Okay, let's
We are
start.
about to start.
You can still join.
Okay. You did the same thing that you put there. Oh,
Oh no, that's my
we are not screwing nobody's goal.
You guys are lucky you have ice cream. I didn't have Okay.
Which one is one? We are not. We are not. We are not stealing anybody. We are not stealing anybody's goal. Hey, Katrina, you take she won't fall. Nobody should steal their goal. Who are distracting you? Katrina, yeah. Who is putting a distraction there? Oh, okay. It has to be that he said.
Oh, so you act like this. You have to kind of I I'm a hard bitch. Where do you think you put on some Let's on. Who is six? I don't know. Oh my.
Yeah. The what?
Send me the
You know, open it now. Oh.
Who won? No, who is second? Keturah is second. Keturah is 97%.
Okay, let's see. View report.
64. That's crazy. I got 4 wrong. Yeah, me too.
Okay, it's getting better.
Look, how can she get two wrong?
It's the fit. That's what I said. You know what? We're gonna play the classic. Yeah, we're gonna play the classic. Let's play the classic. Yeah. Let's play the classic. Let's play the classic.
That she got two wrong.
Guys, we are playing the classic. We want to see something. We are testing something out, okay? Just work with us. Just work with us. Just just work with us. Okay. Okay.
Did you play some? Did you play some Podium? Did you play some Podium?
Okay. So let's go. We are testing something, okay? Wait, we don't like the group. I'm coming, I'm coming. Uh,
Oh, good.
Kahoot is for old people now. So sending me the two. The laptop they were using, they were the guy. And who knows if so this guy, yeah. We- No, we want to see the truth with truth. Look what you are doing is in the
The email didn't you
no, it's only me.
did.
You are the number, and I don't do number.
When you open it, right? Open it, I'll show you. Open the camera, I'll show you. You don't do Canva. Hello, no, the mom, the how they ah. Okay, guys, hurry up. I'm gonna start. We spent too much time on this. You guys are ready, Singana? Singana, you ready? This is a classic one. Nobody's gonna steal anybody's stuff. We want to see. Okay, should I go ahead? Okay.
There's something wrong with that, like great people. This is the I knew it too. Guys, this is cool.
When was it at?
Oh, you have to answer it.
Me. Right here.
First place, baby. How did you been?
You see? Okay.
Yeah, like I didn't try it.
Actually, you see the teacher.
Let me see. Oh yeah, I got second. I'm in first place. I was 16th place. What? I placed fifth. I will get this. You're 7th place. Okay. It's going to be.
No.
No, I need to
Okay. Good job. Naima, good job.
Let's maybe
We got this wrong today. Why? Arlie.
Okay, Uncle Tony and Kuni, please, this question, they need to, the conditional stuff.
Yes.
They got almost all of them got it wrong.
That was me, guys.
On each day.
I'm second because you started the race. You know. He literally said they're all you could.
Those are the three.
15th place. I'm scared.
Hey, Uncle Tony and Kuni, look at this. 80% got it wrong.
Something.
I'll get the question.
No, we didn't reach out to the three. You wanted to
B, dog.
No, I want them to see the picture well.
I'm still for let's go. Question. Go. Okay. That's good.
Sometimes under the steps on the same. That's why glass was restricted. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Because it was
So you will use the computer stuff to do it.
then you have to use teacher for machine.
Yeah. He's already did tell my team, so
Do you know how long we did teacher for machine?
so the whole week, no helping them.
Let's get this right.
Hey.
You were here on day 1 with me, and you never said no.
Good job, guys. The car's going down. Good job.
Right.
Here's number 1. Okay, here. Okay.
Two more questions. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Last question. This is a very trick question. I was thinking.
You can use extension code. Can it be a battery pack?
It is. It's a yeah. It's a USB. I knew you failed. Okay. Okay. So good job, guys. You see, this one is actual scores. See, it's actual scores. See,
Who was number 1?
67.
David.
no, no. Who is this person? See, how?
Stop wrong and stupid.
Let's do report.
Yeah, I got it.
No, the teacher, hold on. 100%.
Yeah, me too. Actually, got 100.
Then Rama. No, this is. Look.
No, we're not Roblox.
Look, no,
You
look.
know, I think they go by the quickest you would respond. Yeah, I think it goes by that. Okay, good job, Angel. Good job. Okay, Billy. Think good job.
Yeah.
I think they go by speed. The speed of yeah.
I missed one question. You missed one. Wrong. No,
Good job, Naima. Who is no sweat? Who is no sweat? Okay, good job, guys. Good job. Yes, you did good. You did good. You did good.
You should at least give me a 99%. That's not word.
Hmm. Angels. Okay, Billy.
Wow.
Okay.
I got most of them wrong.
Esther, you get there. You just join. You get there. You and Couture, you get there.
No, still the 90.
Let me see Couture.
I had to go so fast. I had to go so fast too.
Side girl wasted.
She was fit in six.
Me. No, I was fit.
Good job, guys. Okay, now let's switch to Uncle Tony and Uncle Nee.
Yeah, so let's
Why did you
start
get
with
that?
the right,
What are you playing?
because we haven't do the teachable machine.
Do you have any slides for that?
The teacher will step in.
Okay.
Yeah, the teacher will step in on the teachable machine.
Then you send me $500.
Okay. On YouTube saying
I don't care. I don't care.
the teacher will come on teachable machine. So yes,
What's the
Okay, can somebody help Couture to join?
I get it. What? No.
help us.
Supposed to do what?
To join the class.
All I have to type it in Google and it shows it for me. Stop standing on the chair. And stop not remembering
So
your
will the
code.
teacher will put comment on
Why are you on Roblox? Oh.
No more games, guys. No more games.
No, that's not it.
Hey.
I think I have to start a trial. Oh, yeah. I was not has a lot of different courses that still think design. Yeah, there's a lot more people. What is happening? No.
you know what we are talking about.
Of course she did.
The teacher.
Yes.
What are you watching?
It's called, you know what, let me mute myself first.
Because we have to share the screen. Yeah, I'm waiting for her to do.
You still play the game? Yeah.
What did I do?
I did not have
this slide. Oh, you want to pray and do this?
Anthony?
No, I
let's
see
go.
Let me see.
out.
No, let's go with this. You have to share your screen.
Yours, your game is broken. Oh, look.
Let me see here.
Still the game, though. Still the game. Oh, no. Oh, shit.
Oh,
Okay.
you can do this. You can do
That's this. Oh.
So that it share the whole thing. I thought it was showing something like message. Look, don't. What's it? Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Oh, no. Okay. Yeah. But I'll start sending emailing you guys. Hmm. Hmm.
So I don't know why she is doing that.
See, I have all these activities from MBOT all here.
Oh, but you didn't share to her. Oh, so this is I thought it would be bigger on the screen. Okay. So this thing uh, Google Google.
Hey.
Teacher, move your hand.
Oh, you didn't see me. Okay, here's the online.
Come there. Yes. Okay, Peku, game over.
All right. Good morning. Good afternoon. We're gonna start the formal class. I know you guys have been warming up with the quizzes about MBOT, but now we want to learn something new. So I'm gonna ask this class: have you all heard of what we call AI? Okay, you all said yes, right? So I'm gonna start by asking each person, when you hear about AI, what does it mean to you? Okay, where do we start from, or who want to go first? All right, when you hear AI, what? eh?
I think about
Speak up, I can't even hear you.
when I hear the word AI, I feel like I'm going on my computer, searching it up, and thinking what it means.
You go on your computer and you think of what it means.
Well, if I didn't have one, well, I could ask my mom
Okay,
what it means.
all right. Who has heard of AI? Okay, when you hear AI, what comes to your mind?
When I think of AI, I think of like robots, mainly because of like sci-fi movies. When they introduce AI, they make the AI like very strong and then it, like turns against them.
Okay, so your mind goes to robots. Okay, good.
My mind goes.
Huh?
My mind goes to robots taking over the world. Chat GPT.
ChatGPT is what comes to your mind.
Yes.
Okay, when you hear
AI brings to my mind about like when I think about AI is like a robot that answers your questions.
a robot that answers questions, I am David.
A database.
Database is what comes to your mind.
What?
Robots.
Robots. When you hear the word AI, what comes to your mind?
Artificial intelligence.
Yeah. What when you hear it, what do you think, or what comes to your mind that okay, this is what we are talking about?
Google.
Google.
That means what do you think about AI? Basically?
Google. I think about it. It's like Google.
Okay.
But no.
Um, what I think about AI is a helping tool to help get things done around
Huh?
a helping tool, like a tool to help you.
Okay. All right. So listen, guys, listen. So you all have been around for uh, a long time, and you virtually every day or every other day you hear that word AI, right? And yes, artificial intelligence. Okay. Now, some of you said once you hear AI, what comes to your mind is robots. Someone said, oh, when I hear AI, my mind goes straight to Google. Okay. Let's ask the team in Ghana what they think of AI. Okay. When you hear AI, what comes to your mind? Uh, Kyebi, or how do you pronounce that? Tony, can you come here? Kyebi. How do you, is that somebody's name?
No,
KB people. KB or
Chebi.
Eh?
CH.
No, it's Kyebi. This one.
Yeah. So now the KYCH. So it's Chebi.
Chebi. Okay. Who's controlling this thing? This screen. Is it from? It's not from here, right? No, no, this one.
So go ahead.
Please, when I hear about AI, what comes into my mind is technology.
Technology. Okay. Thank you. Yes, I can see the list. Okay. All right. Others in Ghana. No, watch it. That's good. All right. So when
Me,
we
when I
talk
hear
about
about AI,
right, what comes to my own mind is something that is not human, but is intelligent enough to perform some tasks, right, that possibly I wouldn't have been able to do. Okay? So something that is so intelligent, designed by human, but can do so many things that would be difficult or impossible for humans to do. Okay? As an example, you guys said robots, right? So a robot you can instruct a robot to do some calculations that could take humans years, and the robot will do it in a matter of minutes or hours. Yeah, go ahead. Is that not why we have a calculator? Yeah. The calculator is limited to things that it can do. Okay. So, anyways, the reason why I'm asking you guys about AI is because we want to look at machine learning. Okay. When we talk about machine learning is a subfield of AI. So when you look at AI, artificial intelligence, right, it's like an umbrella. Under artificial intelligence, there are some other fields, okay? And one of them is machine learning, which we want to talk about today. When we talk about machine learning, we want to look at the fact that we want to instruct, in this case, our MBot to perform a task. Okay? So imagine that, remember we are talking about, our focus is on the farm, right? We are looking at things we can do in the farm. So let's assume that you are a farmer and it's harvest time, right? So you have apples and you have oranges. You've planted it all season. Now you've harvested it, okay? But one thing that you need to do is you need to sort. You could have in your warehouse, you have your oranges, your apples, all mixed up. Okay? I'm sorry? Machine ruins it because of the AI what? No, I said machine separate them. Would that be considered AI then? So yeah. So that is where I'm actually going. So you have, are you listening? So in a warehouse, you have apples and maybe oranges all mixed together. Okay? Now you need to sort it. What humans will do is that you're going to get maybe a group of people. Some will be picking apples, some will be picking oranges. Yeah. Hey, go ahead. So some will be picking apples, some will be picking oranges, right? and it could take them hours to do that. Okay? But what we want to do is that we want to be able to use a machine to perform that task. Okay? When a machine performs that task, what you're going to achieve is that once you get the machine up and running, right, it will do it all the time for free. You don't have to pay the machine every week or every other week. Okay? So, as a business-minded person, having machine to do that will be profitable on the long run. Okay? So, we now have to design or instruct our machine on how to recognize what an apple is and what an orange is. Okay? You know, they are both fruits. Okay? So we have to train our machine to look at some features of an apple and then features of orange. And based on those features, it's going to make a decision. Okay? So if you have apples and oranges mixed all together, once you train your machine, their machine is going to use those set of instructions that you have input into it to identify the apple and also to identify the orange. Once it identifies an apple, it can put it in a bin, and conditions, right? That means there's going to be some if statements. But more importantly, before you even get to that, how is the machine going to recognize an apple? How is the machine going to recognize or look at an object and say, oh, this is an apple? Look at another one and say, oh, this is an orange. How is it going to do that? That is where the training comes in. Okay? So you want to train your MBot to be able to look at an object and say, oh, this is an apple. Oh, this is an orange. Okay? So the question is this: what are those things that you're going to input into your MBot to determine that this is an apple? Okay? So I'm asking you a question. You want to train your MBot to recognize an apple, to look at an object and say, this is an apple. Okay? What are those things that you're going to input into the MBot that it will make it determine that this is an apple? Okay, Naima.
So you would need to use the ultrasonic sensor too. So nobody's talking about the
No, hey, please. I don't want you to. Go ahead and say what you have in mind.
Oh, I say so, like you use like on the M-Bot, you use like the ultrasonic sensor too, to like detect the object in front of it. Then you would also use the quad RGB sensor to detect the color of that object, so you can tell the difference.
Okay, thank you. So basically, yeah. So we want to train. Remember, our goal is to train our machine, in this case, MBot, to be able to sort apples and oranges. Okay. So the question is, what are you gonna input into your MBot that will make it determine that, oh, this is an apple or this is an orange? Yeah, Amira, go ahead. Colors. So yeah, explain what you mean by colors.
Check the comment section.
Ah,
I know.
where's the comment section?
Over there.
Here, on this side. Where is it? This your Google.
Right. So comment to come. Oh, these are the people here.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, yeah, that should be it.
Okay.
How we make it? Okay. Listen, guys, please, I need you to concentrate, please. This is very, you see, the problem we keep having is that at the initial level, you guys don't pay attention. When we now get to the project level, you start asking questions, you start getting confused. Okay. So I just asked a simple question, right? We have apples and we have oranges all mixed together in the warehouse, right? We want to train a machine to detect an apple and then detect an orange and put each of those fruits in a particular bin. Okay? So how would you train your machine? What are those features that you will input into your MBOT to make it determine that this is an apple? Yeah, go ahead, Amir. Oranges can only be orange. So you want to train your app, your MBOT that if the sensors or the RGB sensor, if it senses color orange, it should put it that it should assume that is an orange. Okay, thank you. Let's go to Ghana. Can anyone in Ghana tell me what they're gonna do or what they're gonna input into the MBOT to determine if it is an orange or an apple?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm
Go ahead.
Fauzi.
I'm sorry. Yeah,
I'm
go ahead.
Fauzi.
Yeah, go ahead. The Chevy team.
Okay. Then for me, whilst folding, I'll just indicate the color for it. I'll let
All
the
right.
emboss know that if it sees the yellow color, it means orange and green apple.
Okay, so you're gonna use color. Okay, is that the only thing
Yes,
that we
please.
use? Because remember, we want our machine to be intelligent. So if a machine only sees red and it says apple, and then orange color, or what's the color of an orange? No, I can.
Yellow. So if you just say detect red and there's a yellow apple, it will not think that that's not an apple.
Correct. Okay, I understand. So the only feature you guys have talked about is color, right? That's the only thing we're gonna trade. The texture, right? The texture of an apple and an orange. So how is your Ember gonna detect that? Hey,
Sir,
okay, give an example of what is gonna happen. Yeah, go ahead. I will use red color. Yeah, everybody is just saying color, color, color. Yeah, go ahead.
sir, please pardon the question.
Once they detect the apple, the robot could move towards it. What is that?
No, he's gonna pick it. Remember, we're gonna sort. Right? We want the robot to pick an apple and put it in the apple bin, pick an orange and put it in an orange bin. Yeah, go ahead.
So it could sense color, but at the same time, so if the apple is there and it's in one group, it can sense that the apple's there, so that if it has an orange, it can just go to the other group.
Yeah, is gonna use the sensor, right? We've agreed on that. But how? Yes.
Switch to apples and pears because if we do apples and pears, we can at least compare the two shapes. Get it? Compare. Because apples and oranges are similar or somewhat similar in this, other than the color and the texture.
Okay, so basically the feeling. What do Esther? Is it you wrote feeling, right? Yeah? What do you mean feeling? What does that mean?
Is a robot sensing?
Stop.
I'll use red color, the same.
You're not opening the good. You can peel it, but you can't open it.
Okay, texture.
Robot is
All right. So when we talk about machine learning, right, that is exactly what we want to do. Okay. So we just used apple and oranges as an example. It could be any other fruit. Okay. So today we're going to look at how to load and use machine learning model with MBOT 2. Okay. What? Then also programming MBOT 2 to sort object based on recognition. And lastly, we're going to use the hands-on practice integrating machine learning with robotics. So how does this work? Okay. So the first thing is that we have an idea of what we want to do now. Okay. We want to sort oranges and apples. And we want to use our MBOT to get that done. Okay. And what part of the MBOT are we going to use to achieve this? Yeah. Yeah, we're going to need extensions. Okay. But what part? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, what type of sensors are we looking at? Because there are several sensors on that MBOT. Yeah, so we're going to be using the RGB sensors. Okay. The sensors that detect color. Okay. So when it detects red, it's going to assume that is an apple. When it detects any other color, it's going to assume that is an orange. There are different colors of apples. What other colors of apples do we have?
yellow, green, red, white. White.
Green. Who says who is saying there's a pink apple? I've never seen a pink apple.
There's crimson gold, there's gold rust. What? There's happy Christmas. Oh, it's because the apple might not be as pigmented in red, so it might look pink.
Okay, so
what is a bicolor? There's purple apples.
no.
Red.
Hey guys, listen. We are not gonna make this complex, okay? Let's assume
If orange is detected, it detects an orange, and if it's anything else, it's an apple. Because you know that oranges are only orange. Unless there's different. There's no.
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 So remember, you have to look at your robot. What can your robot do? It has a color sensor, the RGB sensor, right? Right? First thing is that if you look at your MBOT, what colors can it detect? It can detect red, right? What other colors? Go into the MBOT, the block programs, and tell me what colors that the MBOT can detect. Can you? What do you mean?
What is the problem? Oh, M block. Okay, hold on. IDE dot M block
Dot CC.
LC.
So go into your MBOT and tell me what colors it can detect. Because we have an issue here. You guys are saying there's a pink apple, there is a red, there's a white apple. Yeah, the Chebit, do you have a question? What, have you checked the MBOT?
Oh,
What colors?
Yellow, red, orange, yellow, green, bluish, bluish,
That's a
purple.
display.
Never mind then. Stop being mean.
Grandma, that's
So if you go to the sensors,
supposed to go here.
yeah, go to the sensors. What colors do you have there?
It doesn't have any colors, it just has a bunch.
Told you I was right.
Actually, never mind. But this is the line following.
But there's no way there's a blue apple out there.
No, if you go to your sensor model,
Oh my gosh, guys, we found an apple.
You don't know this.
No, guys, it's in
I'm
real
assuming
life.
this is
We can find it in real life.
Red.
objects are, yeah, R will be red.
What does probe mean?
A probe is something that detects.
Detects what? The object?
Yeah, it can detect objects, it can probe an object, it can probe.
I just wanted to see what code was on the. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
What?
Red, yellow, green, one. Okay. All right, what can you see there? So let's assume, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
So I can like just the RGB sensor.
I can't hear you. Speak up.
I said I found the thing that helps like detect like an object's color. So
So what colors can it detect?
that's red.
Red, green, and blue. Okay, so listen, guys, listen. If the MBOT can detect red, green, and blue, okay,
The black tape. Grandma, this is
okay,
not blindfold detecting an object's color. Yeah, but it's still.
yeah, yeah, that's, you raised a good point. So if it can detect the line, yeah,
So one time the it can detect other colors because like when it was like during the EVI the MBOT was moving and I would put it like this and it was telling the colors of my outfit.
Yeah, exactly.
huh?
So it can detect more than red, green, and blue.
Okay, so what I want to know, what, because that would determine how we train our MBOT to detect, since the two objects have various colors. Yeah, go ahead.
So because the red, green, and blue are the primary colors, that's why they can detect more.
Yeah, so it can mix those colors to get other colors. So basically, it can detect any color. Okay, all right. I think we can go with that. That the MBot can detect any color. Okay, so we now need to train our machine if we all agree on the colors of an apple and then the colors of an orange. And then if there is an object that doesn't match any of these colors that we've set out, then we can say, okay, well, either leave it, we can train our machine not to touch that, or we can have a third bin to drop those type of objects. Do you understand what I'm saying? So now let's agree. Apples. Let's have 3 colors for apples, and then we're gonna have maybe 1 or 2 colors for an orange. Or have you seen a green orange? Sometimes oranges are green, right?
What? Yeah. Well, if it's a green orange, it's possible.
Yeah, because
Have you seen a green orange?
Yes,
I'm searching it up.
Okay, so an orange can be green, right? Okay, so can we take note of this? Apples will be either red, green, or one more color. Apples are not yellow.
The colors of the thing.
like
Found in stores.
Okay, please.
can find easily.
Okay, red and green. Okay, 2 colors for apple, red and green. Then orange. What are the 2 colors for orange? Orange and what? Orange and yellow. I'm sorry. I didn't hear what you said. So now in our MBot, we're gonna program it in a way that when it sees red and green, it's gonna take it as an apple. And when it sees maybe any other color, right, it's gonna take it as an orange. Okay? Because in the warehouse, right, remember, we've only harvested apples and oranges. That is our assumption. So let's make it simple. Red and green, if it detects red and green, if you put it in the apple bin, and if it sees any other color, if you put it in the orange bin. Okay? So if we are able to write that code, we can train our MBot to do that task for us. Okay? So our job is just to train the MBot to detect that. What's that?
I wanted to make sure the audio was working on.
Oh, okay. So basic workflow. So the workflow, do you all know what we mean by workflow?
Do you know what a workflow is?
So before you can write a code, before you can write a code, you see all these things that we are discussing, right, is basically the workflow. Okay? Workflow simply means that we're gonna use some shapes. So typically the shapes you use is you use circles, you use the diamond shape, right? We use circles, diamond shapes, and some blocks in the workflow to determine how your program is gonna work. Okay? So the first thing is we have, okay, I think they're giving you, oh, we have a board here.
Yeah.
All right. So we have to create a workflow before this can work. Okay.
If
Okay.
you need a book to take notes, come and pick one here. If not, use
So we have
dog.
oranges. We have apples. Okay. Now we need to make a decision. Okay. If red, if you put it here, or if red or green, then others,
If you need a pencil, let me know.
if you put it here. So at the end of the day, we're gonna have apples here, and then we're gonna have an orange here, oranges here. Okay. So something like this is what we call a workflow. Okay. You need to have this before you can write the code. At least have that written somewhere, or have that this workflow somewhere. Okay. Now, if you want to make it more complex, right, you can now say, okay, well, for these others, if it is black, right, you can divide it. If it is black, then put it in another bin. Okay. Or maybe if it is black, that means it's bad. Okay. Because we want to sort fruits that you can eat. We don't want the fruits that are bad, right? We want the ones that are edible that you can eat. So we need to create a workflow. Okay. Do you all understand that? You now know what workflow is. The team in Ghana, unfortunately, you can't.
They can see it.
They can't see the.
Let me see. Oh, you could have closed the
No,
What did you do? This is a workflow.
Yeah, I don't do
Okay.
the workflow.
So this is what you can also do. Wait. Let's see. No. Come back here. Where's your meeting? How do you escape this? Okay. Now we can add a new slide and then show them the workflow from here. What did you do with it? So shapes. Oh. Bruh. Why is it not okay?
It's drawing time. Oh wait, can I draw it? Can I draw it? Please, can I draw it?
Let it run my help table.
Yes. Just actually.
Okay. Just draw that in.
Oh, so I am serious.
Madam, please.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. What? No, I don't want to push. Why I'm slowly. C R E S H the same for it.
Okay.
Yeah, we should go over the that. No, wait. What are you supposed to know? I'm supposed to draw you. So you can draw.
The hospital. The hospital. Radio. Wow, the box. Huh?
You need another
Savings. And no. See, the day I was able. No, I can't believe that. I also get this. Everybody's so sad.
Does that say, does this say if?
Yes. But I can't even say that, okay, you can get a square and turn and tilt it this way. Or
Right.
you can see it and everything. You see, you can turn the laptop around so
The way you really think, yeah, I need to see a book. Yeah, that's what
yeah,
the show. Yeah.
yeah, you can pick the square and then rotate it.
So,
This one.
did you teach them that?
Exactly.
Did you teach us to language? That was good. But actually, now I'm still not real confused. I don't know how much stuff I wrote here. Resume. Oh wait, that's like the challenge. Wait, did you say all?
Hold on. There you go.
You okay, bro. What actual? No. What you got to know? Look at the garage. Did you not close the garage earlier?
You're not wrong. So that we have to.
Maybe not, no. We were talking to I wrote it for this is what yeah, I think well, the dogs. No, what one are you supposed to? Bruh. No, I don't use myself. I think I won't be on that. That's very. No, I don't understand. I know. Bruh. Yeah, I get it. Fun. No. Right. You still. I didn't know I should have had breakfast. There's no breakfast. This is just typing the opposite thing, bro. So that's I need 2 stairs to collect. This is just cracking we crack up the day. More. I should say. Yeah, I thought it was. What? Damn, real breast. You got to come from water. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh no. Okay. No, look at that. I'm ready.
You're not done.
Yes, I am. No, I'm upgrading. No, that's not what I'm doing. I'm giving you a 6 out of 7.
Is that not mommy?
6.
Yeah, that's
I
mommy.
gave a 6 out of 7.
One of these scores.
Oh.
6.
All right. So basically, what we have on the screen just shows us what we plan to implement using the MBOT. Okay. So your task will now be to go to the MBOT. You all have the link, right? And try to program your MBOT to do this. Okay. You want to train your MBOT to be able to do this. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, I don't think we have the,
We are not doing that.
yeah.
We're gonna use a teachable machine to make everything work. Don't worry. I'll take
Okay.
it. Yes.
So, wait, how do you plan to do that?
Working on it.
Oh, she's working on it. Oh, okay.
You guys should give it to me, okay? Or
Okay, so yeah, we are not gonna use the add-ons for the MBOT, right? But we're gonna use a teachable machine to thank you.
Thank you.
If red, green, apple, other than oranges. Okay. Are you almost done, or I should tell them to take it?
You want me to go check? I can tell you.
Okay. Yeah, you can come and continue. So one of the things that you guys did not mention, right? One of the things that you did not mention about how to make you see, when we talk about artificial intelligence, right? We are not just looking at the basics. Do you know that the weight of an apple is different from the weight of an orange? So it's not only colors that you can use to determine if an object is an apple or it's an orange. You can use the weight, you can use the color, right? And like somebody wrote out there, you can use the texture, okay? You know, Apple doesn't have that cover like, I mean, the orange, you have to peel an orange before you can actually get to the juice, right? But some people peel the you guys love to make things complex. You peel.
So American kids.
How do you peel it?
No, you are not gonna use a knife. I think there's this kind of kitchen tool. Yeah.
Oh.
That kitchen tool that scrapes it. Okay, so it means when you are training your machine, right? You won't use texture because, well, you won't. Is still different.
All those stuff.
Does you like orange juice?
Yeah, you don't like oranges, we like oranges. I don't like the texture.
So I hope you guys are getting the point of how to train. You have to use the features. Remember last summer when we did AI, right? When you were able to group African birds, right? Nigerian birds and Ghanaian birds, right? Remember when we did AI? Yes. There are some features that we used, okay, so that when you see a bird, right, it will be, I mean, your AI code will be able to detect whether it's a bird that is that is found in Ghana or the one that is found in Nigeria. Remember that? Yeah, you guys have forgotten about it.
They're thinking about
Huh?
the story.
Yes, you remember. You remember.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, we actually put on a website. Let me see that.
What's the website called?
Teachable machine.
Teachable machine.
Check the link. We are about to go there right now.
What did she say?
You are the OG in the teachable machine.
Oh, we're here.
You are the OG in the teachable machine.
Which what do you?
Oh no.
Oh yeah, this is the thing I need because that ad is still up of the dog of that person doing with the dog. Sorry, alright. So sorry. I'm a sleeping sketch.
Is that cute right there?
Wait, how do I get you? Okay, I'm gonna make a tiny. Cutie. Oh. I don't think I see.
I'm not using this computer. At that time. No, so only this. So you have to start from.
You could gonna help me.
Yeah.
I'm not doing it.
I think it's
I
already.
quit these games. I quit, but
So we are going to do the teachable machine, right?
So you want to take a 5-minute break or you want to continue?
5-minute break.
Okay, 5-minute break and come back.
Let's all vote on 10 minutes. 10-minute break. 10-minute break. Raise your hand. Take a break. Don't raise your hand.
Go use the restroom. Anything that you want to do.
What about 30 minutes?
No.
That'd be great.
Yes, that would be great, right? Let's put it on.
Okay, guys.
8 minutes.
I just used to that. Look, what? Oh, did do a second.
Okay, guys. Use the restroom. Do whatever you want to do.
Put the soda guns. Your teeth will go orange downstreams. And I barely quit. My fingers almost dashed. Oh, wait.
Oh,
Wait,
If it's not
mine
dead,
was at like 100% and it's almost dead now.
that's a start.
The Viva Speak 16.
That's a
Oh,
start. This one is broken. Oh, it's not working. You know what? Try it and see. Sorry. Try this. I think.
I'm gonna do this.
Try this thing. I think that's what I brought this thing.
Then
Oh,
that is so wrong. I'm just impressed. Yeah. I know. Whoa, I want to get robbed again. And I would hate to see it. I would totally hate to
not
see it.
dying, right?
I don't even
No.
keep this.
dude, that's just me.
Huh?
That's just me. Literally, you like, I'm totally it.
Oh yeah, you don't even stay and get lost. That's a total loss. Oh, don't bring sweet pics to me in the room and we're daddy. Are you serious, Mama? Yeah, it's not bad taste. Wait, doesn't I don't have Bloxburg like oh wait, yeah, Bloxburg is a tree. Bloss everyone chose. Yeah, so we're not an OG anymore. I would throw my computer across the room. Yeah, they have so much. I'm playing with Bloss.
Let's go to the shop.
Yeah, we'll turn it. I think I saw Hey. What it is. Ezekiel. Yes. Some more. First of all, you just the only thing you can run out of time. I said I have 33 seconds talking about it.
Hey, where did you spend what?
The only thing I do know is that. Oh, bro, that's what you get. I need a spirit. Oh, what spirit should I give the spirit? The spirit gave it, bro. That's the way I walk in the world. God, it's basic, but cute. And I don't know how to friends in. Okay, some of the attributes of like
What?
pink and white. White.
I'm sure it's gonna be the model problem.
So you're wearing baggies.
Hey, get your laptop ready, okay? You have less than 5 minutes.
I'm sending you guys a link to download the images.
Yeah, you can put in the link. Let them download it now.
Yeah.
Instead of video gaming, download the link.
It's coming. I'm coming. Check your message. Okay, guys.
Check the messages and download.
Download this link. These links are images of fruits and vegetables.
Oh wow, that's me. This?
Yeah.
Check it in.
I did what? Wait, I didn't see.
Yes.
Somebody raise their hands.
Yeah, those have been really tough on.
Oh,
Yeah, we have a lot of push.
yeah. So you see how we have different models, different images. So try and download it, save the images. That's what you are going to use for your teachable machine with your MVAC. Okay?
Download it. Save it. Get on the game. Get on the game. Down. Save it. Folder to this in their document.
Yeah, save me your document, save it down.
Oh yeah, I already have it.
Have you all downloaded it? Amir, have you downloaded it? Very cool.
I did download it.
No, it's the AC.
I just downloaded it.
Okay.
I'm sure we just have something. What are you talking about? Wait, I'm next. Yeah, I
You
well, I only
you can hear.
You didn't do it.
yeah. Please. Wait, I don't know. Hello? Wait. Hello?
Oh, Petrula, you don't have an email account, right?
The second answer.
No, you don't have a Gmail account. People, you have a Gmail account. Have you downloaded it? How did you do that? How did you do that? So come and help it.
So I didn't hear anything. I feel it.
Have you downloaded it? Will help it. Can you go up again? Don't you? Are you in the class?
On the podium, so I know.
You are not in the class? I don't even in
I had the
class.
best of that. I had the I was the person that was
You are not in the class. Then when you came back,
You went to play games. Okay, it's time.
It says we have 1 second left on my screen.
Call them. Call them.
1 second left. Everyone's using 1 second left.
okay, go ahead. Your answer. Use the grammar. Use the one second. We want you to use the one second.
I got
Now you can-
first place.
Okay, because we're not in.
Forgetting. Very wrong.
No,
those
I got
things.
first place in just
So that she is doing.
I keep thinking, oh, this week.
Yeah, because
Grammar. Forget.
I report the link.
Just pin the link.
Naima, you want to help us?
Okay, wait. Actually, let me check.
Are you able to do it?
We're good.
I'm not even now. Okay, save it.
The link is pinned.
Yeah. You need you use your Gmail account.
No, I have two accounts. I have my school account. I have my school account, my personal account, and my
All over. You have the EDI account.
When I was your age, I did not even have one account.
maybe because you're
What?
Mama. Stop. It's not gonna work. I said too short. There's a star. Should I say that PNG or PNG? That's Look, look. Watch out, world. Here I are. This is not it. The star. Watch out. What is Wait, what?
It's touch screen.
Bitch. No, it's just One about zip. Zip is a form of you can't do it then. Lost.
No, help that.
No, I'm not helper.
Help that so that we can.
Move from the game. Then let's get this thing right.
Lost compression is where you compress something like
Let me see some things.
and then it's lost compression is where you compress it and it became
So,
That's what I said. Why do you have to sleep up?
are you playing party game?
No.
Okay, get this link to let's see if it'll work.
Zip is not space.
That makes sense.
Yeah, because when you zip, you can zip back.
Try this link to,
There's another link.
yeah. Let's see if this one will make it easier for you guys.
Oh, it take them straight to camera.
No,
Yeah, yeah.
no, I'm gonna like my mistake. Oh, they didn't teach me to do computers. And I was expecting to learn about computers and I didn't teach me.
Are you school?
No, the mechanic.
Oh.
What was it about? How was it?
Oh, it was Daniel. It's so hard anyway.
You didn't know
You
anything.
always say that. Like, didn't.
But she learned something, right?
It's like Daniel. I saved all my papers that I could.
You gotta go back to it.
No, no.
You gotta go back.
We could work like a bunch of like physics and stuff. Physics.
And you don't like it.
Well, I like physics, but it didn't make sense. And the only thing I understood that they were talking about was Newton's second law. Definitely. It's I'm saying the simple thing is this, and then we did words. We did egg because they were learning about fucking many crabs, egg, frog, and egg whale. I don't even look for learning about egg whale. You can't.
What
Download
the new camera, the new one.
the other one doesn't work well. So the first one. So guys, oh, I'm going tonight.
We can hear you. Loud.
Yes.
The second one doesn't work.
Yeah, you need to.
Have an account.
It doesn't even give that option. It's just you can view it. That's it.
You mean the one on Canva? You can only view it, right?
The second link I sent. So I'm gonna share the other link.
So she's going to share another link.
Oh, sure. You can share, download, and download.
See, there's a green and orange.
Okay.
AI. No, it's not. In Ghana, the oranges are green. Yeah.
Really?
I can.
That's not orange. That's it. That's lime.
No.
No, it's half and half. Sometimes one side might be green and
Yeah.
red.
Ghana, majority of the Ghana oranges are green. No, it tastes good.
So does that mean if
That's the organic.
orange, if green oranges are real, doesn't that mean there could be white apples or pink
Rama.
or blue apples or purple apples or
The white apple.
Okay. So now that everybody got the image downloaded,
Yeah.
Team Ghana.
From the first link, right?
Yeah. Team Ghana, everybody got the image downloaded.
Madam Letitia.
Yeah, dear.
No, Madam Letitia, we're having problems with our Wi-Fi.
Oh.
The network is
There's multiple colors.
Okay. So Team Ghana,
it's even
you see
running
how
slow.
I'm recording it, right? So you just watch, and then you can go and watch it back again, and then by that time, I'm sure the network will help you to download it. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. It's always the internet, and
Okay, Madam Letitia.
yeah.
This
So
is Letitia.
so guys, I made it simple. When I say I made it simple, I picked everyday household items, right? And I added different variations and stuff. But when the apple comes, it's only red apples that we are working with, right?
Madam,
But you see
please.
how I have what happened?
Madam, please. We're having problems with our internet, so we want to ask. When we download the pictures, please, what should we do?
Just take them for now.
Is everyone okay downloading it?
Just save it for now. So you see share, right? You click share, and then you will just download it in a PNG, and then just download and save it. Just save it. When you save it, it's going to come as a zip file. Click on the zip file so you can get all the files in one folder. Okay. But I would, after you just save it, and then I'll guide you guys on what to do next. Okay. Filbert. Filbert.
Why are you on?
I added 2 veggies, so that it's not only
Madam Letitia.
fruits. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm Madam
Filbert.
Letitia.
Okay. Filbert.
Okay, Madam. Okay, Madam. I'm listening.
Okay.
Yes, Madam Letitia.
Any question, or you are good?
Oh, I'm
Okay.
good.
So we have apples, banana, right? Orange. And you can see that we have different oranges, right? We have another orange, onion, and then tomato.
You see how we have different tomato. Some of them are cut up. Are we good now?
Okay, so what are we gonna do?
We are going to train the machine to be able to know what this is.
Okay.
And what? Okay, so guys, why are we teaching our machine to know these type of fruit? What is the reason behind it? To sort, right? How does it help the farmer?
So they don't have to waste, so they can take breaks in between their shifts.
Thank you. So, so this is sorting is very, very important in a lot of industries, okay? And to train your machine or your AI to be able to know that, okay, harvest is ready. And now, how do you know that this tomato is ready to go into the market? Am I making sense? So they train their machine. Let me see something. Let me go on YouTube real quick. And
You know, the tomato comes out as green. Then when it's ready for human consumption, it has to be this color.
But yeah, they didn't. I didn't really like how they taste. It tasted like
okay, so
I spelled it wrong. Lord, this is a cute.
let me. Okay.
You're dressed up like a watermelon. Oh, look, you're wearing green. Which kind?
Okay.
Yeah, where's the red? Yeah, it's in the inside. Wait. I mean, you got blood in there. You got blood. Yeah, exactly. You got blood. Yeah. So yeah, I guess it was watermelon.
Oh, I'm so lucky that I'm not a watermelon today. But we need the seeds.
Oh, I mean, I don't know. You guys gonna give your all the parts from Wait, your teeth?
Okay.
Oh, maybe your teeth are saying
Hey. Imagine you could buy Cocomelon from Where's that? I could buy Cocomelon from Amazon.
Okay, guys, I have this video to share with you guys.
I want to watch videos.
Hey, calm down.
Why are you sitting on the floor?
Please listen, okay? I mean, watch.
The audio is now coming, right? Why is it not? It has no audio. Sorry. Guys, pay attention.
Mama. Those are tomatoes. Bruh. What's potatoes? Bruh.
What's potatoes?
We're watching a video right now. Isn't that? Do you realize that? You just watched the video.
You notice that some of these.
They're falling.
No. There are some that are being caught.
Oh, I didn't know. There's some that.
Oh, you didn't notice that?
Oh, I noticed that some of them were like a different color. Some
Yeah.
of them have yellow.
Yeah, you see the one that has yellow is gonna cut it.
Is it because it's like bad or not?
Yeah.
See?
So it has
Did you see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has been trained that if it is not that way.
But what if it accidentally gets a good one goes?
It's very, very meticulous.
You see the ones that are not totally ready. You see how it's sorting it?
Are we gonna do that? Of course we're gonna do it.
So our reason for teaching you guys this is that in every industry there is a need for technology. Am I making sense? Okay, so don't say that, oh, in the agriculture it's only farming and you have to be dirty and do all kinds of stuff. They need your brains to help them to make things easier for them. So look, you see, did you see what just happened?
Those tomatoes are apples. I don't know what they are. They look like potatoes. Learn about how to process carrots. I don't like carrots. I like these.
One fruit that we kind of take for granted is the tomato. Of course, they're everywhere, and there's a ton of different kinds, all the way from cherry to beefsteak. And don't even get me started on the pinnacle of culinary cuisine, ketchup. The harsh reality, though, is that for the most part, tomatoes kind of need to be red in order to be taken seriously by the eaters of the world. Well, now there's a saucy invention that proves that, especially for tomatoes, it's not easy being green. Here's Albert Lawrence to explain.
This is what it looks like to sort a ripe tomato from an unripe tomato. It's the sorting process that happens before your tomatoes get dumped into a facility for processing products like ketchup. Innovator Don Douglas is the man behind the company that builds tomato sorters. It's a technology that swaps away the green or unripe tomatoes at the rate of 75 tons per hour. With the help of a mechanical harvester, the sorting happens faster than the human eye can see at 32 times per second. I wanted to get a closer look, so I planted myself at a farm in Woodland, California, where the legendary tomato sorter technology was being used.
Well, out here we grow cannery tomatoes, also known as processor tomatoes. Those are the tomatoes that go into sauces, pizza sauce, your spaghetti sauce, your whole peeled tomatoes, diced tomatoes.
So how can a machine optically tell the difference between a green tomato and a red tomato?
So you start with cameras, and then you need a source of light to illuminate the product, so the cameras can capture the reflection off the tomato. Interestingly, the original source of illumination was automotive headlights to shine light on the tomatoes. The reflection was captured by camera, and then software would determine, based on mathematical algorithms, is that a red tomato, is that a green tomato, or is that a piece of dirt or a piece of vine?
By the 80s, sorter technology advanced from using headlights to light-emitting diodes.
Is that a green tomato, or is that a piece of dirt or a piece of vine? Would determine, based on mathematical algorithms, is that a red? The cameras can capture the reflection off the tomato. Interestingly, the original.
Did you all hear that?
What did he say?
What did he say?
He uses the camera to reflect tomato.
Anna, what did he say?
No.
All right, what did you say?
So basically, like you would use like the light from like you use like the light from like the sun to like to help reflect it off like to the camera, and then it can detect whether it's a green tomato or a red tomato.
Correct. All right, listen. What the guy said was, okay, so the problem we described earlier, this is their own solution. What they do is that light, right? They shine a lot of light on the tomatoes, right? It's just like if I have a torch and I shine it on your face, you know it's going to reflect back. The light waves is going to reflect back, okay? So based on that, the camera, okay, when something is green, when you shine light on it, it reflects, right? Based on that reflection, there is a calculation that is being done, and the camera will be able to detect that this is green, let me drop it, okay? If it is red, then it knows that that is what they need. If it is not green or red, they know that, okay, this is dirt. So they will put it somewhere else. Do you all understand that? All right, let's go.
Source of illumination was automotive headlights to shine light on the tomatoes. The reflection was captured by camera, and then software would determine, based on mathematical algorithms. Is that a red tomato? Is that a green tomato?
Is that a
Or
green
is that a piece
tomato?
of dirt or a
Or is
piece
that a
of
piece of
vine?
dirt or a piece of vine?
By the 80s, sorter technology advanced from using headlights to light-emitting diodes, or LEDs. In the last 40 years, Don's company has made its sorters more compact, more mobile, and more sophisticated. The harvester uses a sickle blade to cut the tomatoes, and they are sent up the conveyor to get sorted. First, all the dirty tomatoes and even rocks get dumped out.
This is the optic box that contains the cameras and the source of light. They're illuminating the tomatoes as they come off this conveyor belt. If the red tomato is detected, the signal is sent to the pneumatic cylinder, which fires the finger paddle, which knocks that green tomato through the harvester back onto the ground.
Red tomatoes stay, green tomatoes go. Here it is again in slow-mo.
Wow.
Eventually, the good tomatoes make their way through this boom and onto a truck with the trailer to be delivered for processing. I want to take a ride on this.
Yeah, for sure. Let's go for sure.
That's the shaker. It's got
Taking innovation and technology from the farm to the table.
Are we good? Yeah. Okay. So this is one of the reasons why we are doing what we are doing. And when I say what we are doing, what we're doing is the fact that understand that every industry needs your help. Every industry needs tech, okay? It needs the arts. You see, what is the art in this? The color coding, right? You were able to pick whether it's green or red. So art comes in every form of our lives, whether we like it or not. Because like the guy started, people like red apples, red tomatoes, but they will not want green tomatoes. Does that make sense? And so color or art also plays a major role when it comes to how we are relating eating with our food. And so that is where the art comes in. There is a math also what coming in. The algorithm that they are using, right? And they are using mathematical ways to really calculate how many seconds can the system detect these green tomatoes. So in all these industries, whether you like math, you like science, you like technology, you like art, whatever you like, there is a major need for you in that industry with those skills. Do I make sense? Okay. And so we are going to now train our MBOT to be able to decipher whether this is tomato, this is that. And to do that, we're going to use teachable machine, which is what? Machine learning. Are we good? Cherry team, question? This is the link to teachable machine. And this is AI training, okay?
Just to add to what we just watched, if you listen, said this technology was in the 80s, right? What we want to do now is now train using AI to do something like this and even better. If you watch that video closely, there were margins of error, right? If you look at that truck, there were still some green tomatoes on that truck, okay? But what we should be able to do with AI is to have close to maybe 98% accuracy, okay? If the technology that he used or is using, I don't know whether he's still doing that, but if that technology could give something like this, we need to make it better with AI. Okay?
They used to use the camera light and the car lights.
Yeah.
They used to use the car lights. Now they have the camera, they have all kinds of stuff.
So, yeah, and that's where I want to go to. So when he started, he said they used to use the light from the car, like, the headlights from the car. They shine it on the tomatoes so that the tomatoes can reflect. Later, they started using what we call LED, light emitting diodes. Okay, those were you saw those boxes that he was knocking on. They are LEDs, just like the most of the light bulbs today. They are LED lights today. Okay, because LED lights don't consume. Yeah, LED lights don't consume power that much. Just a little voltage into it is gonna illuminate. Okay, right? So now we want to go a step higher, and that is where machine learning comes in. Okay, so starting, I think, next week, right? Make sure you all have your downloads ready. Next week, our task will be to train our MBot to identify those things that we've downloaded. Okay, and remember, the margin of error with MBot, with our machine learning, is gonna be almost zero. Okay.
Okay. So guys, we're gonna start a new project. Okay. So let me go back to Teachable Machine. So when you click on the link, you should see this, and it will tell you start, right? And it gives you an idea what is Teachable Machine. So for our Ghana team, I'm gonna click the video to help you guys understand what Teachable Machine is. Okay.
People are training computers and creating machine learning models to explore all kinds of new ideas. New ways to interact,
Yes.
to understand the world, to play, and experiment. But machine learning is pretty intimidating to get into. So we've been wondering, what if it wasn't? With Teachable Machine, we set out to make it easier for anyone to create machine learning models without needing to write any machine learning code. When it first launched in 2017, it allowed everyone to get a feeling for what machine learning is all about. But now, Teachable Machine puts the power of machine for what machine learning is all about. But now, Teachable Machine puts the power of machine learning in your hands, allowing you to save your models and use them in your own projects.
So let's say you want to build a model to recognize you versus your dog. You just open up the site, record samples of you and samples of your dog. Click train, and you instantly have your own machine learning model, which you can use in your sites, apps, and more. You can upload your model to host it online, or download it to work entirely on device.
With Teachable Machine, you can create custom models for all sorts of things. Using images, audio, or even poses. Personalized machine learning models for the things that matter to you. And folks have already been trying it out, using Teachable Machine in their own experiments, solving problems in their communities, or even just at home. Start creating and see where your ideas take you at g.co/teachable machine.
So I hope you get a little bit of it. So now click on start or get started. And we're going to do the image one. We're not doing the posing because we don't have real fruit here. But when you are home and you want to do the real fruit one, you can definitely do it, okay? But for us, for the sake of time and funding, we are using images, okay? So click on this one here. And then standard image model. We are not doing embedded image model. We are doing standard image model. And then we will select that. And it's actually, you're going to use the webcam or upload. We are going to use upload, right? And so when it comes to Teachable Machine, you gather your samples, okay? And when it comes to EBI, our samples are the fruits that we have. So these are the fruits and these are our samples. So we have our apple sample here, right? We have our banana sample right here. We have our orange sample. We have our orange, orange, and then we have our green, orange, right? And so you see, these are not lime, these are oranges, okay? We have onion, do you see? And we only use the yellow onion. Tomato, we have one tomato, we have multiple tomatoes, we have tomatoes without any vine, right? And we have this big tomato, and then we have a tomato that is cut up. And so we have split different tomatoes. Are we good? So these are our models, okay? What is it? Models, okay? Okay, good. So now we have this, we have saved the files. And so what we are going to do now is we are going, and then if you want to, this is the thing, when we finish this, don't let it end here, okay? This is where you can also add more models to your stuff to teach your machine the way you want it to be. We can add green apples, yellow apples, red apples. You can do all those things. But for the sake of time, that's why we are just focusing on these things. Mind you, we have what? Red color, yellow, green, right? And this is I think we have okay, whatever. This I don't know, yellow, but it's not even yellow. Anyway. And then of course red. So we just see that. Remember what you guys did with your cartons, right? It says orange apples, red, green. He taught you all those systems. So now we're gonna go back to our teachable machine, and we will. This is what a class 1. So what are we going to do with a class 1? Let me close this. Okay. So you see how we're gonna change this name and call it. What was the first thing? Was it apple? Okay. So we're gonna call it red apple, right? And then another one, our next class, we're gonna call it what? Banana. This way, when you find I don't know how to spell. Trying to make it okay. Is that how you spell banana?
What?
Okay. And then you can add milk. Yeah. Raphael.
Please, I'm lost from the initial.
Okay. Go back to Teachable Machine. The link is in the chat. Let me see. Come back here. Teachable Machine link is here. Check the chat. You get the link. Check the chat. You get the link. If you want the Canva link too, let me see.
It's not working.
You yeah, unzip the file. When you upload, unzip the file. So just double click it. It will unzip it for you. Or right click and tell the file to unzip.
Okay.
So are we good?
No, please.
Okay. You know, it's 12:42. Maybe we can continue next week. Save the file.
Okay, let them all unzip it so that you know how to unzip the file. Okay, you've already. Where did you download it?
See?
Yeah, click on download.
Somebody downloaded it.
Then you go to the folder.
You should do it.
Yeah, you should.
Where is it?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, you don't have you don't have
Yeah, this is it. You've already downloaded it. So you can see there's something like a zip on it. So right click on it. Just click on extract all. Okay, and then click on extract. So now these are all okay. So when you want to upload, you upload this one. Okay, not the one that How to unzip? Okay, let me go to S2.
I know how to just not on Canva.
Huh?
I know how to just not on Canva.
No. You only once you download the file, then you go to the download folder and unzip.
Okay.
Unzip it.
Yeah.
Are you good now? You're Russian, right? You're okay. Are you guys good? You are good?
So this
Very cool? You are not?
but this one
I unzipped it.
go to extract all. Let's click on extract. So it will create another folder.
You did?
Yeah.
Now
So we can see there. See, this is it now. No. Have you unzipped it?
Was I crochet? I'm busy. Down. I need to unzip that.
Where is it?
Okay.
All right. So once you have it unzipped, next week we're gonna use the teachable machine now to read those pictures.
So go back to the
what will happen if I train model?
Did you know?
Don't go ahead. Put the coordinates.
You just go. Down.
That's actually.
I think it's something.
What's the time? Down, right? Oops.
Wait, how do I see?
Say what?
Oh.
Oh, this level.
So you want X out the tab?
Yeah, you can just do it.
You got it?
Just minimize it.
Okay. Team Ghana. So try and just save it. We're gonna use this last minute to share our video assignment, okay? For you guys to see those who have submitted. But next week we will continue with the teachable machine because don't go and finish it before us. You and David and Chevy team. Raphael.
Madam, please, he said what?
Message, do not go and finish without us. You guys, wait for us.
Oh, yeah.
Extra wala. So, screencast. Some of you submitted your assignments. We are going to check it out.
Oh no, please don't put that.
Oh, please. You always have something to say, Ralph.
So,
Yeah, I
what's the
turned it in.
purpose of?
Yeah, I turned it in, but you're not supposed to look at it.
Why?
You're just supposed to know I did it.
So my name is Philbert Bambo, and I'm presenting on MBO 2, and I want to explain how the MBO 2 works to you. So this is the CyberPi. Others call it CyberPi. It helps in the movement or the controlling of the MBO 2. Please do see. This is the MBO shape. It helps to cover the motherboard of the MBO 2. So as you know, these are the views. This is called the wheel hub. And this is called the stick tie. Ultrasonic sense. It helps when the MBOT is moving and it sees like something block. This is the sensor that helps you turn left or right. This is the RGB sensor. It helps it to sense down and up. When it's moving, when it sees something down, it will immediately care from there.
Yes,
Do you understand?
please. Then send me $10.
This is called the encoder motor. It helps in the moving of the ties. It helps the ties to move very well.
I want to see what the grandma needs.
So I'm done with my presentation.
What do you guys
Thank
think
you
he did?
for listening. Thank you for understanding. So if you want me to go over again, go over. Thank you.
No, what's up, Huawei? Good job, Philbert.
Thank you.
Good job. Okay, now we're gonna play. Oh yeah, you guys did good. So
I forgot about it.
Rama did a good job too.
Don't stop it.
Rama, I said
These are the parts of the MBOT. Okay, so
hey,
this
has all
is
this light in the room.
beautiful
I
thing.
need some of the light.
Beautiful thing that makes good ASMR is the MBOT shield, and it holds the battery, which is one of the most important things. And then right here, well, the thing that's supposed to go here is this, which is the CyberPi, and you can use it to control the MBOT wirelessly, and you can also save codes to the CyberPi, and you can just hit one of these buttons, one of these two buttons, so you can play it. And then on the bottom, hold on, let me do it this way. On the bottom, we have the two identical twins. We have the encoder motor that helps it move. Think. And then we have the eyeballs.
Hey, Rob.
That look at your soul. And then it's called the ultrasonic sensor too, and it can detect objects. So if I were to put this eraser here, it could detect it and move away from it when you code it to. And then what did I miss? Oh, the quad RGB sensor, which can detect color and lines, mostly color. Oh yeah, the wheels, they can go like this, and then we also have the chassis, which is like this blue part, like the body that holds it all together. Then we have like wires, screws, and a bunch of other things. Anyway, thank you for listening. Bye.
Awesome.
Can we do 9 with that?
No, let me see.
I think we should do 9 with that.
Yeah. Hey, you did well.
Okay. Yeah, Naima did.
My name is
Where's Naima?
Where do we put it in now?
They gotta took everything apart.
This is the ultrasonic sensor. It's used to detect the word. This is the evolution. It is used to detect the cyber. This is the cyber. This is the quad RGB sensor. It is used to detect and follow. This is the This is the This is the chest. This is the body of the
Where's Naima?
Awesome. Good job.
Thank you.
I'm going step by step. So when we see,
Oh, Rama was right there.
Mhm.
Because he told me, I think, was it yesterday that he told me or this morning?
My name is Lucia. I am a member of the STEAM class, EBIT, and I am here to talk about the functions and the parts of the airport. This is the first one. We start with the ultrasonic sensor. It detects this is the cyber part. It gives code. This is the shield, the M-Bot shield. The M-Bot shield. It protects the cyber part. This is the power
It doesn't protect the cyber part.
This is the encoder motif. This is the encoder motif. It helps the wheels to move. This is the wheels. It helps the airport to move. This is the body of the airport. This is the body of the airport. Thank you.
Good job, girl.
How would that be?
You get 9 and 10, 7.
My name is Mali, and I am a member of the I am here to talk about the fashion part of the embody. I will start with the wheels. The wheels allow the embody and this ultrasonic sensor that detects an obstacle and avoid it. And we have the RGB sensor that detects a line and line. And we have the encoder motif. Encoder motif for the and we have the shield. The shield is to protect the cyber part. And the child
The same thing. It doesn't go the cyber part.
Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't.
And the outcome of the
Raise your hand if you think Naima should go. Majority rules.
Naima is right there. Hey.
Okay.
How long is yours? I'll be showing you the parts of an M-Bot. Firstly, we have these eyes, which are the ultrasonic sensor tube. They help the robot see objects in front of it. Up here, we have the M-Bot 2 shield, which holds the battery of the robot, and it holds the CyberPod. The CyberPod helps control the robot wirelessly, and it can display things on the screen right here. Down here, we have the quad RGB sensor, which helps the robot sense color and do a line follow. Down here, we have 2 encoder motors, which helps the robot move. Finally, the dark blue part is the chassis, which holds the whole robot together.
How do you know it's head? How do you know it's not AI?
You got. Let's go to Rich.
Let's see, baby. Can you do it?
Yeah. I should have turned my LED lights off so no one can know. We would have seen it anyway.
My name is Richard. I am in basic 8. I am EBI student in Ghana. This is the M-Bot. M-Bot can be trained to perform advanced tasks like image recognition, post recognition, and video recognition. This is the cyber PI, the main control board to control the M-Bot. This is the M-Bot shield. This shield connects to the cyber PI, provide interfaces for various sensors. This is ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor is detecting objects and measuring distance.
This is quad RB sensor. Quad RB sensor is used to detecting colors and following line. And this is encoder motor. Encoder motor help the onboard to move. This is the chassis. Chassis protect the encoder motor and cover it. And this is the wheel. The wheel is the wheel help the onboard to move freely. Thank you, Adrian, for watching.
Okay, let's go and check David.
Yeah. Ketura, did you do it?
She was supposed to do it here.
Oh my God, you just I don't know how you're gonna do something. Just kidding.
Right, so
hey,
this is an Mbot 2.
Yeah.
And so I'm about to tell you the 6 main parts and what they do. So for the first one, we got the quad RGB sensors, which is like a color sensor, so it can change colors. And then the second one is the CyberPi, which is a big control center, which can control the car. And the third one is like the whole part is called Mbot Shield. And it's supposed to increase the battery and other components for the car. And then we got under the car the encoder motors, which help power the wheels on the car. So the Mbot can move. And then the last two parts are this one, which is the chassis, which acts as like the mainframe for the car, so everything can like be on it, like everything is attached on it. And then the last part is the ultrasonic sensors 2. This one dies. It's just supposed to sense obstacles, not colors. And so that is all the parts of the Mbot 2. And how well I know that.
Good job, David.
Thank you, David.
Good job. Okay, let's see.
Let's see Esther.
Oh Lord. I think Esther won. Okay, let's see Esther.
Hello, my name is Esther, and today I'll be showing you what the Mbot 2 does. This is called the quad RGB sensor 2, and it senses lines and stuff around it. This is called the encoder motor, and it's supposed to connect the wheels on both sides, so it can move the Mbot. This is called the chassis, and it's the body of the Mbot. This is called the this right here is called the Mbot 2 shield, and it protects the batteries. This is called the CyberPi, and the CyberPi is supposed to show you language, and you're supposed to control it with it. And that's all I have for today.
Hey, good job.
Who else here did it? You do it.
Hey, Quay Cool, hey, Sarah, go outside and go and do it.
You do yours.
Tell them how to let them do it.
Yeah.
Here is the link.
No?
Submit, yes.
Hey, Ezekiel, did you do it?
Here. If you need to submit yours, here is the link.
Put the link there.
Go outside. The other room is open. Go and do it.
Can they do it?
Yeah, they can. So let's
Because
see.
Naima hasn't. I said Naima.
Amira.
Amira hasn't done this.
She's gonna use AI to do it.
I've never used AI.
Because you're not gonna show your face, so you.
Oh, you didn't tell her that you have to show your face.
I'm just taking pictures of
I'm here to demonstrate about the parts and functions of the embryo. I'll start with the child.
Okay, this was the
The main body of the embryo goes to the embryo. And I'm going to the embryo shape protect the brain of the embryo. And I'm moving to the encoder motor. The encoder motor helps the brain to the embryo. Then I move to the quad RGB sensor. The quad RGB sensor protects the phone. And I move to the ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor detects obstacles and avoid it.
I'm just gonna copy mine.
You're going to copy Naima.
Go on and do yours, okay? Oh, you can do it at home. You took your laptop home, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, do it at home and then you don't have the M board, right? Oh, okay, you have to do it here then.
You should take Naima's envelope.
Where's Naima?
I have to do it at home.
Where's Naima? No, she took her inbox, right?
Take your computer home to your dad, right? And ask him to create an account for you, okay? An email account.
But he can create it and bring it. And let
Let me show phone call. On phone call login is that.
Good job, dear. Okay, guys. We are done with class today. We know next week we'll continue with the videos. So what am I saying? You still have the chance to submit your stuff, okay? Amy, can you remove his screen share over there, please?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I don't really I have stuff to do.
Okay, good guys. So we will continue next week with the teachable machine. Okay. So now you guys know we need, if you want to bring fresh onions, apple, banana, and tomato, bring those fresh ones next week. I'm gonna also bring some fresh ones next week. So we will do.
Are we going to eat it?
No.
Wait, what?
So you can use the fresh one to train your machine, and you can also use the pictures. Okay. So you can, if you want to bring them, bring them. If you don't have them, and you can find any other fruits, make sure you can also bring them so you can live with them as what they are. Okay. So next week, that is what we are going to be working on: AI, machine learning, and agriculture. Are we good? Prince, your hands are raised. That's not clap. That's like you're going to give me a slap. Okay, guys. So we will, let me see. Oh, no. Let me. What?
You can stop in the meet.
Change layout. Photo. Okay. So next week, okay? Are we good? Any questions?
I like your hair.
Bye, guys.
Oh, Madam Letitia.
Yeah, I feel bad. Oh, bye-bye.
Madam, please.
You can go and watch today's session on YouTube or Facebook, okay? And share with your people.
Bye. Madam, please, I want to talk to Raphael.
Okay, Raphael, call David, okay? Raphael, come to David, come to Prince, okay? Raphael, connect your friends.
Hey, keep quiet.
I will text you his number, okay?
Yes, sir.
Bye bye. Bye. Oh, we have got out. How you going to go for me? We have some sort of difference. Me mean jam ho na me mean kwana today.
Oh.
And
Wait, what's it?